My dear students, I am going to teach you a very important theorem on similar triangles. This theorem is totally based upon similar triangles. I have taken in first part all the conditions of the similar triangles. Now what is this theorem? Prove that a line drawn through the midpoints of one side of a triangle parallel to the another side bisect the third side. Here, see in this picture, a line DE is drawn parallel to BC and D is the midpoint of AB, and we have to prove AE is equal to EC. My dear student, what is given? A triangle ABC in which D is the midpoint of AB and DE is parallel to BC. Two things are given. D is the midpoint of AB and D is parallel to BC. This is the given. To prove AE is equal to EC, AE is equal to EC, it means E is the midpoint of AC. Proof. Since D is parallel to BC, my dear students, when D is parallel to BC, therefore by basic proportionality theorem, we have AD upon DB is equal to AE upon EC. This is the theorem. What is the theorem? When one line D is parallel to BC, then the portion of the other lines are in the same ratio. AD upon DB is equal to AE upon EC. This is first result. Now, but AD is equal to DB. Here you see D is the midpoint of AB, therefore AD is equal to DB. AD is equal to DB because D is the midpoint of AB. When D is the midpoint of AB, then we can write it AD upon DB is equal to 1 because these two portions are equal. When AD upon DB, we will divide AD by DB, we will get 1. So from first, in first, AD upon DB is equal to AE upon EC. Here, AD upon DB is equal to 1. Therefore, AE upon EC is equal to 1 also. This implies A is equal to EC, hence proved. प्यारे विद्यार्थियों, कितनी आसान है ये थ्योरम, देखा आपने? यानी बड़ी बहुत ही सिस्टमेटिक है. एक बार आप इसे अपने आप लिख लेंगे और करके देख लेंगे, कभी नहीं भूल सकते इसे. सेकंड थ्योरम. अब मैं सेकंड थ्योरम लेता हूं. आई एम राइटिंग द स्टेटमेंट ऑफ द सेकंड थ्योरम. And second theorem. What is second theorem? In second theorem, in a triangle, a line in a triangle, two sides, AB and BC, AB and AC, whose D is the midpoint of AB and E is the midpoint of AC. We have to prove that D is parallel to BC. In second theorem, what is given? Second theorem is the converse of the first theorem. I am not going to write this statement. What is the statement of first theorem? The statement of this theorem is opposite to this. In that theorem, D is the midpoint of AB and D parallel to BC. Here, D and E both are midpoint of AB and AC. We have to prove D is parallel to BC. Given in triangle ABC, D and E are the midpoints, midpoints of AB and AC. This is given. AB का मिड पॉइंट डी है और AC का मिड पॉइंट E है. ये सिर्फ इतना दिया हुआ है. और टू प्रूव में क्या है? टू प्रूव DE पैरेलल टू BC, because this is the converse of the first theorem. In first theorem, D is parallel to BC given, and we have to prove E is the midpoint of AC. Here, D and E are the midpoints of AB and AC, and we have to prove D is parallel to BC. Now, proof. See the proof. When D and E are midpoint, since D and E are midpoints of AB and AC, so by the AB and midpoint, D is the midpoint of AB and E is the midpoint of AC. So therefore, AD is equal to DB and AE is equal to EC. My dear student, ये देखो प्रूफ में D और E इन दोनों साइड के मिड पॉइंट हैं. अब मिड पॉइंट है तो इनके पोर्शन भी तो बराबर होंगे ना. दिस इज इक्वल टू दिस, मैंने यही लिख दिया. AD इज इक्वल टू DB एंड A इज इक्वल टू EC. अब इसको देखो, इसके नीचे लिया हो, AD अपॉन DB इज इक्वल टू 1. इसको इसके नीचे लिया हो, AE अपॉन EC इज इक्वल टू 1. Here AD upon DB is 1 and AE upon EC is equal to 1. It means this implies AD upon DB is equal to AE upon EC. My dear students, when AD upon DB is 1, AC upon EC is equal to 1, it means both are equal. When the AD upon DB is equal to AE upon EC, it means D and E points divides the sides AB and AC in the same ratio. ये आपने देखा, जब ये बराबर हैं by the proportionality theorem, it means D and E points divide these two sides in the same ratio. If this is, then D and E divides the two sides in the same ratio. Therefore, by proportionality theorem, DE parallel to BC. Proved, hence proved. DE parallel to BC. Why DE parallel to BC? Because these two ratios of two sides are equal. When D parallel to BC, ratios are equal. When ratios are equal of two sides, then D is parallel to BC. Both are opposite to each other. So by the proportionality theorem, we have proved that D is parallel to BC. Hence, my dear students, I have taken these two theorems. Both theorems are depends upon the totally on similarity of the triangle. So in both theorems, the property of similar triangles is applied, and so these theorems are proved very efficiently. So my dear student, in the last, I want to make a request to you. Please subscribe the channel. I shall be very thankful to you.